welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today a little review on these OSA wireless microphone. These are pretty nifty, to say the least. In the pack you get a pair of mics, the receiver, and in this box, so not that one, I put that one in because I was using that for something else. So you get your receiver, two mics with the little sponges on. Bit gutted they didn't come with a little fluffy thing. You get a C to C, and you get a C to lightning cable, and microphone like jack adapter. So what you get this one, this receiver. This works in, it's a multi-purpose. So this one, for the sake of it, argument's sake, you put this one into the receiver, and so you got the lightning cable which would plug into your iPhone, and then all you do is switch this one on, long press, get flashing green and red, and then if you're using one mic, let's take that off. If you're using one mic, there's a button on the back, and you just long press, and they're paired straight away. And then you've obviously got the other one, long press on the back of that one, and it's paired straight away for both of them. So what I'm going to do, I've got, I'll turn one of these off because I don't need it. I've got obviously the iPhone I'm going to try out with and without the mic, and I have a Sony SV-1, and with this one you take the cables out and plug this direct into the mic port like that, so that plug in direct, and then obviously you've got your mic. Also, take that one out, I have the Fimi 2 palm camera, and these are notoriously bad for mic volume. They're very quiet and muffled. They've always been like this ever since, like when the first Fimi Palm come out. Brilliant as a camera, crap at recording audio, and I thought the 2 would be the same, and it's not. And so I've only used this really as a secondary camera, because the actual camera itself is brilliant, just the volume lets it down. And I've tried all sorts of plugins. There's a microphone jack, and I've bought external mics. So this one, obviously, you have to use the extension jack on it, and then plug this one into it. But the only thing is this, the camera, you just see it in the actual lens. So lucky enough, I'll take that out, a 90-degree jack where I can plug this straight into here, and then plug that into the camera, and it hangs down in front, below it, so it's fine. So when you're holding it, you can just swing it out to one side, and it's not in the field of view. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try this one first and see how it comes out, and then look at the audio afterwards when it's done. So let me get myself situated with this one, and we'll see how it goes. I'll do a test without the mic first, and then I'll show it with the mic. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so this is a Fimi Palm 2 without a mic. So we're coming up to the camera, talking normally. So we'll see how that is. Now I'm going to plug in the mic. Okay, so this is with the mic, standing 10-15 feet away. So we'll see how that goes. I think it's going to be a great improvement, and it has got quite a nice range on it. So what I do, point it out in the garden and see how that goes. So out in the garden, 1, 2, 3 testing, should be good. And we're back in the living room. So we'll see what that looks like, or sounds like. Okay, so this is recording with without the mic, receiver in. And so now I'm going to plug the receiver in and go again. Okay, so this is with the receiver in and same talking voice. So we'll go outside and we'll do it again. Okay, so this is outside, normal talking voice. Hey, testing, 1, 2, 3. And we're back in the room. Okay, so this is the Sony SV1 from about 2 foot away. And this is about 10 to 15 foot away. Okay, so this is with the receiver in, same distance, 15 feet away, and I do the same thing outside, and I'm sure it's going to be okay. Okay, so this is the Sony SV-1 from outside on a terrace, and I'm sure this is going to be okay because I can see the actual volume bars going up and down, so should be pretty good. And we're back in the room again. Okay, so what did I actually think about it? I think for the money, which was $7.99 for these and your cables. I say I had this one anyway to use with the Fimi Palm 2, and you just need this one directly into a camera jack for the mic, and you need this one which will go to C to C and C type to Lightning for iPhones. These would be Android and iPhone, and these charge up with the C type which is the same port on that one and on the sides of these ones. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description. So it's a shame they didn't come with the little dead cats on them, because these do give off a little bit of rustling. I think with the dead cats they don't. So on the whole, really pleased with it, and would I recommend it? Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.